Once again, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you joining us now, very good evening and warm welcome aboard this British Airways flight to London Heathrow Airport, Terminal 5. This is a codeshare flight with our One World Alliance partners, S7 and Aer Lingus.
We'll now demonstrate the safety features for this aircraft. Please pay attention, as these may differ from an aircraft that you've flown on before. Not a lot of people know that.
The name's G. Chibody G.
Hand baggage should not block the aisles or exit. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in an overhead locker. Please place items in the locker carefully as they may fall out and injure someone. In an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you.
No, I mean, I was doing James Bond.
Yeah, I got that.
Joanna Lumelay.
Joanna.
Right, okay.
Action. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now by our gorgeous cabin crew. Please locate your nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. In an emergency, low-level lighting will guide you to an exit. Your crew will now point this out for you.
You've done prop work before, I can see you have.
Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off as they may tear the slide. Don't worry, you'll all still look absolutely fabulous without them. Is that strictly necessary?
Yeah, I mean, otherwise people won't know who you are.
Please now fasten your seatbelt. It must be worn whenever the signs are on, and it is fastened and adjusted like this, and opened like this. Seatbelts must be worn when the seatbelt signs are illuminated. But for your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible at all times.
I thought you'd be taller. I suppose you're sitting down now.
What I need from you is a little bit of oomph.
Your life jacket is underneath your seat. If required, please remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head.
You're getting there, David. Keep going.
Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side, like this. To inflate, pull the red toggle. The air in this jacket can be topped up by using this little mouthpiece. There's also a whistle and a light for attracting attention.
Don't stop now, come on.
And please do not inflate your life jacket until you've left the aircraft.
Too much. You spoiled it.
If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided.
Switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. When not in use, devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket. Before moving your seat, please make sure your devices are safely out of the way.
On behalf of British Airways,
Comic relief and flying start.
Thank you for your attention.
And for your kind donations.
Every penny of which will help children all over the world.
living really tough lives.
If you have any questions,
Or you can't find your safety card,
Or if you've mislaid your magical flying start envelope,
Please ask one of your gorgeous cabin crew members, and have a good flight.
Charles.
oh my gosh.
my postal welcome to you all and welcome back. Our executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We do recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. It must be securely fastened when the seatbelt sign is on. When it's safe to leave your seats, do take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'd like to take this opportunity to share some important information about our new hygiene and safe distancing measures whilst in flight. We do ask that you stay in your seat as much as possible. If you require assistance or are feeling unwell, please remain seated and press the call bell in your seat area, as this will allow the cabin crew to provide assistance at your seat. I'll also take a moment to advise you about the revised service on board today. At British Airways, we take our commitment to your safety, comfort and of course your well-being very seriously. With that in mind, we have worked closely with food and health experts to agree a temporary service which ensures we deliver on that promise. Our service today offers a pre-packaged light refreshment with a beverage service. We do appreciate your understanding.